Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make soup of Maggi Masala. This easy guide will help you create a delicious and comforting meal in just a few minutes. We'll start by gathering simple ingredients like 1 packet of Maggi noodles, its special masala sachet, 2 cups of water, and your choice of fresh vegetables. It's a perfect quick fix. Now let's get cooking. First, finely chop your favorite vegetables into small, manageable pieces. This ensures they cook quickly and evenly. Next, heat about 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add your chopped vegetables and sauté them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to be slightly tender, but still have a little bite. With your vegetables ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour 2 cups of water into the pan. Bring this water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add the Maggi noodles, breaking them if necessary to fit. Then, stir in the entire Maggi Masala sachet. Let it all simmer and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Continue cooking until the noodles are perfectly tender and the soup reaches your preferred consistency. Some like it thicker, others prefer it a bit more brothy. Once done, transfer your hot Maggi Masala soup to a bowl. For an extra touch of freshness, garnish with some finely chopped fresh coriander leaves or a small squeeze of lime juice. Serve it immediately and savor every spoonful of your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.